एवरीवन एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू टुडेज वीडियो। पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको जेई एडवांस रिलेटेड स्ट्रैटेजी एंड टिप्स दिया था। आज के वीडियो में मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड जिन्होंने जेई एडवांस के एग्जाम में काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है आपको बताएंगे कि लास्ट मोमेंट पे किन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए और उन्होंने कौन कौन सी डिफिकल्टीज अपने प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे फेस किया था और उन्होंने कैसे उसको ओवरकम किया और इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया कि आज वो आईआईटी बॉम्बे के टॉप ब्रांचेस में हैं। सो लेट्स लिसन to them one by one.
Hey guys, I am Karthik Gupta. I am currently a sophomore at Computer Science and Engineering IIT Bombay. So last year I achieved AIR 1 in JEE Advanced. This will be a set of tips from my side to you. So what I'll suggest is this is the precise time from you, as finally your wait is over. You have waited for a long time, and so don't regret about anything that you have not done in the past or worry too much about the exam. Just focus on what you have to do right now. Stay calm, stay cool, keep your mind balanced and composed. Regarding the revision, I will suggest that you do solve past year papers. Even if you have solved some of those questions already, solve the papers as a set, and solve other papers also. And regarding subject wise revision, I'll suggest that read the overviews of all the topics of all the subjects. Just skim through the headings and skim through the methods, so that everything is at the brim of your mind, such that you can get them instantaneously. You can remember them instantaneously when you need them in the exam. Regarding new topics, I don't suggest that start new topics. And if you have a lot of course left, then I'll suggest that solve the past year JEE advanced papers and see from what topics you get formula based questions, or from what topics you get very easy questions. Just if it takes less time, read the formulas and read the easy concepts, so that you don't miss marks on simple formula based questions just because of a formula that you didn't know. So just if you haven't completed the course, read those formula based questions. And during the exam time, it is very important that you stay cool. You might get stressed if you cannot solve the question. So just be relaxed. Think that everybody cannot solve the question. It is a tough question. So, think like that and just leave the question. Don't get stressed that I'll get less marks or anything. Just be relaxed. Have a sound sleep a night before the exam. And if you haven't adjusted your clock cycle already, do it from right now, so that you don't get tired in the exam or you don't feel sleepy in the exam. Adjust your clock cycle. And this is what I will say, that remove all your anxiety and give your exam in a relaxed manner. Forget about everything else. Just with your with excitement, just macha dena exam mein. And I wish you all the best. Stay calm and stay cool.
Hi guys, so JEE Advance is just a week away, and I would like to give you my 2 cents about what to do during the last week. So Advance is all about trying to encapsulate all your efforts you did during the last 2 or 3 years and delivering your best game during the 6 hours. So during the final week, reduce the screen time, take enough rest, drink enough water. So it is necessary that during the exam you play on your strengths and have maximum accuracy possible in the subjects you are good at. If you are giving mock tests during the last week, you can recreate the conditions of the exam hall by not using a fan or an air conditioner or both, so that anything that happens on that exam day doesn't take you by surprise. It is very important that you do not discuss the paper in the time between the first and the second paper. You can have a 30-minute nap, have a light lunch, and talk to your parents for some motivation. During the last week, it is important to have enough sleep, around 8 hours, so that you do not get exhausted and you stay fresh throughout. So all the best, and I hope everyone does well.
Hey guys, by this time you must have given many exams, and you must have realized that just as important as the preparation before the exam is, it is equally important to remain calm and composed while writing the exam. So my advice to you would be to get enough sleep, avoid last minute revision, be confident and calm while writing the exam. All the very best.
Hi everyone, I'm Pulkit Agarwal, currently pursuing Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Bombay. As your JEE Advanced exam is approaching, the most important thing you would need is confidence. Think about all the hard work that you did in the past years and believe in yourself. Don't think about any previous results, including the JEE main result, because what matters is how you perform on that particular day. So you should be confident about that and focus on that. Also, every night before sleeping, you should be satisfied with what you did on that particular day and have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. The last point I want to add, which is my personal opinion, is while attempting paper, you should focus on your accuracy rather than speed, especially in JEE Advanced. It is completely fine for you to attempt 2 questions less but attempt them correctly. Best of luck, all of you.
Everyone, I'm Sanju. So I would like to wish you all a very hearty congratulations for successfully completing JEE Mains 2020. You all are no short of legends considering how you gave JEE Mains, which is one of the most difficult exams amidst a global pandemic. Now the final challenge of JEE Advanced 2020 awaits you. So here are some last minute tips which I feel you might find helpful for your culmination of the 2-year journey. Firstly, you should definitely not study anything before the exam, and you should definitely try to take the day off before the exam and try to relax and calm yourself mentally and physically. It has been a long ride mentally and physically, and therefore you should be absolutely fresh for the battle. Also, I would like to address one point is that you should get at least 7 to 8 hours of good sleep before the exam so that you are fully charged. One thing I noted was people do study in the exam halls or discuss the exam, etc. But I would like to advise you that you should stay away from such people and try to focus on yourself and your preparation. During the exam, you should try to maintain a calm head and try to solve questions which you find easily doable and which will increase your confidence. Start with your favorite subject first if you like. JEE Advanced is notorious for surprising students with new formats, and so be well prepared for the same. Do not waste a lot of time on a single question. Remember, if you find the question paper difficult, it will be difficult for many people like you. Lastly, I would want you not to discuss the paper 1 in the lunch break and just take complete rest and have your lunch peacefully. Do not worry about what has been done and focus on the paper 2. Also, if the exam is done, please take rest, enjoy yourself, you deserve the rest after the 2+ years of long journey. Stay safe, all the best, and hoping to see you all in the campus. Goodbye.
So, the moment for which you have been preparing for all these years has finally arrived and is extremely critical time. So it's essential that you do not lose your calm at this juncture and keep a cool head. Make sure you have thoroughly revised each and every topic that you have studied, and on the day of the examination, just keep a cool head and focus more on accuracy rather than number of questions actually attempted. Even if you did not perform well in JEE Mains, do not be disheartened at all, because this is a chance for you to make up, and that's all I had to say from my side. Wishing you all the best for a JEE Advanced. Be confident, you will surely do well. Hope to see you at IIT Bombay.
हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? माय नेम इज़ मनन गोयल. मैं आईआईटी बॉम्बे कंप्यूटर साइंसेस का 3rd ईयर स्टूडेंट हूँ. मुझे पता है कि आप सबका एडवांस्ड कुछ ही दिनों में आने वाला है, एंड इस ड्यूरेशन हम सब बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, बहुत प्रेशर में होते हैं. क्या पढ़ें, क्या करें जिससे एग्ज़ाम में बेटर हो जाए. तो मेरे फ्रेंड दिव्यजीत ने मुझे इन्वाइट किया और कहा कि मनन, इन लोगों के साथ हम कुछ टिप्स शेयर करते हैं जिससे ये बेटर परफॉर्म कर पाएँ. तो दीज आर माई सजेशंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइज, आप सब ने 2 साल अपना बेस्ट एफर्ट डाल दिया. अब इट्स टाइम टू स्टे रिलैक्स्ड एंड जस्ट रिविजन्स करते रहो एंड फाइनली गिव योर बेस्ट इन द एग्जामिनेशन. तो प्रीवियस ईयर्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिवाइज कर लीजिए. ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिवाइज करते रहिए. मैथ्स इज़ मेनली प्रैक्टिस. तो मैथ्स में कीप योर हैंड स्टडी. हर दिन सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर लो. इससे आपकी कैलकुलेशन स्पीड भी मेंटेन रहेगी. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग ऑफ कोर्स, एग्ज़ाम डे अपना बेस्ट दे के आ पाना. तो ईट लाइट, टेक प्रॉपर स्लीप एंड गिव इट योर बेस्ट. सो वंस अगेन, आप सबको बेस्ट ऑफ लक मेरी तरफ से, एंड मचा दो.
एक बार फिर से सभी एस्पिरेंट्स को मेरे तरफ से ऑल द बेस्ट, अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना। आई होप टू सी यू एट IIT बॉम्बे। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और आपके सभी फ्रेंड्स जो इस साल JEE एडवांस 2020 का एग्जाम देने वाले हैं उनके साथ भी शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू एवरीवन।